your boy, TJ Party 456, back with another video, and today we'll be doing some origami, and we'll be making a Lazy Susan, and if you don't know what a Lazy Susan looks like, it looks like this. Ready? Voila! So this Lazy Susan right here is pretty cool. I like it. Also, if you don't know what it actually does, the purpose it serves, you put condiments in it, but in this case, it's for show. So guys, let's get straight into the origami tutorial video. Okay guys, so you will need one piece of paper for this origami tutorial. It has to be square. The color does not matter. It doesn't matter if it's double-sided or anything like that. So let's just get right into the video. So this will be my more advanced or actually intimate folds. So guys, let's see if we can do it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to start color up. So first thing, get your hand right here, and you're gonna fold this side right here over to this side, and make sure you're making very precise folds, because that is honestly one of the most important parts of origami. So do that. And now make sure to crease, because creasing is very important. Crease it very well. Okay guys, so next thing you want to do is you want to open it. Now you're gonna get this side right here up to this side. Crease. And now you crease, make sure to crease, and now open it. Okay guys, so now what you want to do is you want to flip it over to where you can see the white parts, or if it's double-sided, so color. So now get this edge right here, fold it up to that edge right there. And guys, try not to air fold, because air folding is not very effective, but if you want to do it, you can go for it, but I don't recommend it. Okay, so now this crease. Okay, now open it. So it should look like this at this point. One line down the middle, and two crosses. Okay. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get to this point right here, like right here, fold it up to this point right there. Okay. Now make your crease. Make sure it's really tight. Okay guys, so now you have this, so now it should look like this. You know? Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure it's on the wide side, and you're gonna get all four corners, right? And fold it to the middle, so I'll show you. So now you're gonna do this, and now you're gonna crease. Okay, so now same thing over here. This point to the middle. And do the same for all of the sides. And don't forget to crease, because creasing is important. So now you're going to turn it over and crease. Okay guys, so next, open it up, right? So now you're going to get this point. Okay, so now you are going to get this point right here and fold it up right here on this crease right here, and make sure it's straight. So let me show you that close up. Like that. So now just do that for the rest, and make sure you're making creases, because this fold will not look very nice without creases. Okay, make sure it's lined up. Okay guys, so now it should look like this. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to get your hand right here, and you're just gonna do this on the crease. Yep. To where it's like this. And this could be tricky, but I know you guys can figure it out. So like that, right there. Make sure it's like that. So just get your hands and just press down. you know. And now same thing over here. Just get your hands, press down, and you can use the other hand if you want. And yeah. Let me get it right. Okay. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this part right here, put it right here in the middle. Okay, same thing over here, this part right in the middle. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna squash fold it. By that, I just mean just squash like that beef. Just squash. And if you need to, you can do that with your finger. Pop it out. And yes, that's what you do. And now you're gonna crease it. Okay, guys. So now it should look something like a diamond or like this, whatever you want. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna crease all of it. Make sure it's all creased because that's very important. So now you're gonna turn it like this to where this part is facing you. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this part on the crease right here. I know you can't see it very well, but this part right here on this crease, you know, that you made, like right here, that crease. Yep. So just fold it like that. Also, guys, I'm sorry for air folding, but I kind of need to do it like that, so it lines up like that. Okay, guys. So once you do that and crease it, you're gonna turn it to the back and flatten this out. And now you're gonna do the same thing, but on the other side. So this point right here to the crease you made right there. Okay. Now crease it. Okay, so voila. Now you have this part right here. Now is where it gets a little more tricky. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it right like this. Open it like so. And you're just gonna get this part right here. Do you see this crease right here? You're just gonna crease that. Okay, make sure to have it stay like that. Same thing right here. Also, don't forget, do you see this box right here? Yep. We're gonna use that as your guide. So just crease that right here. Turn it. Crease this part right here. Turn it. Crease that like that, as so. Turn it, and same thing over here. You're gonna make a crease. Okay, guys. So once you do all of this, you should get a little bit of an outline like that. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get these two sides right here. Is you're gonna do this, like you're just gonna put them under like that. Okay, and now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put your hand right here. Just gonna push it up. Same thing over here, push it up. And now bring these two fingers in and push up. We'll push over. Same thing over here. Now push down. And now squash it like the beef. So now it should look like this. So now just crease it very well. And now let's move on to the next phase. So now get this part right here and fold it upwards to this part. Crease. Same thing over on the other side. Turn it like that. This part right here, fold it up, crease, and now turn it over again. This part right here, flip up, crease, and now the last part right here is gonna turn the page and flip. Okay, guys, so now it should look something like this. So now the next step is to get this part right here. Let me show you this in depth. Right here, see this part right here? You're just gonna fold that right there. So this point is meaning this point. Let's try. Okay, that's what you do. And now same thing over here. This point to that point. And yeah, it should look like something like an M or whatever. And now, crease. So now you're just gonna turn like this. This part right here is gonna turn. Same thing right here. This point to this point. And now we're gonna turn again over here. And then turn again this point right here. Oof. So it should look something like this. So now you have this last point, you see, and you are going to just fold it like that. So now it should look like this. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it, get these two out, and you're just gonna fold it like this again, and fold it like that again, you know? So make sure they're all inwards, and it looks nice. So it should look something like this. And now you have this part right here, you're just gonna fold that part in. Okay, so now for the next phase, which is the final phase, sadly and gladly. You're gonna get your finger right here, open this part up right here. Right here, you're gonna open this part up right here. It's gonna open it up. Now you're just gonna turn it over, get your hands and just press down. Okay? And now, if you want this part to be wider, you're gonna press down just far. But if you want it to be smaller, you're not gonna press it down very far. So for me, I'm going for a medium-ish hole. So I'm gonna just go right in the middle. And yep, that. So I'll show you guys this again. Open up. And yeah. So now what you do is you put this back down the best that you can, and you do this. Get this part right here, like right here. And you're just gonna open this part up right here, and you're just gonna fold that down like that. It should look like this. And do the same for the rest. Make sure you're really creasing everything, because that is very important when you're doing origami. Okay guys, so when you're done, it should look something like this. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing that I taught you. Open this flap right here in the middle, this part, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna just fold that, and make sure to crease this part, and yeah, and now repeat this step 3 more times. And see, we already have that preset, so it's very easy. Okay guys, so when you are done, it should look like this. And now the final touch is you're gonna get this part right here, and you're just gonna fold this point, so right here in the middle. And this is preference, but I like it like this. So do the same for each fold basically. And yeah guys, this is what it should look like. And this is how you make an origami Lazy Susan. Yay. Yep, and this is a pretty cool gift you can give to your teachers as a bribe. And if you're watching my video, one of my teachers, you know who you are. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and of course comment on what your favorite part of the video was. Peace out. Hey guys, you thought the video was over, but no, it's not over yet. But guys, for all you true subscribers that stayed until the end, I have a special announcement for you. I will be doing a giveaway on my channel. What? So, the requirements to enter this giveaway is you have to like my next 3 videos and comment down below that you liked, and also share the video with your friend and comment I shared the video with my friend in the same comments, guys. So guys, if you want to enter this giveaway, just do that. But I will repeat myself. So in my next 3 videos, you have to like and comment that you liked and share the video with a friend and say that you shared it all in the same comments. And if you do that for the next 3 videos, you're entered into my raffle, in which I will write your name. And I'll pick from a bowl, and whoever wins will win. Whoa, what was I gonna say? But yeah, guys, but if you win, you have a chance to win a TJ Party 456 jacket. Now let me show you this jacket. Okay guys, so I have a jacket. So you will not win this jacket, this is my jacket, but you will win a jacket with my logo on it. But not this jacket, this is mine. But yeah guys, you can win a jacket with my logo on it, my glorious face, like I said. And yeah guys, all you have to do is enter, and you know how to enter from the last part. So yeah. And I will enter your name in a bowl, and you could win a jacket. Not this jacket, this is mine, but you can win a jacket. So I hope you guys are hyped for that. Also guys, to win the jacket, you obviously have to go to my school, and you know if you do. So see you guys later. Peace out. And let me give you a bit of exclusive information before I go.
FBI, open up!
No, you're not coming in. Okay guys, I gotta end the video very fast. Peace out, bye.